Hey, it's Ben. I've got this OsmaR magnetic replacement buckle. The company sent this to me to make this video, so let's take a closer look. Just to show you how this clasps together. So this has an indentation there, and there this has that gray lip. So what this is going to do, these are magnets, so they attract to each other. You'll see it grab. And what happens is that clip will lock in, and you cannot remove it at all. And so is very secure and will stay fastened into your chin. This does rotate, so it does allow you to have a different angle or approaches from your straps. To release this, all you're going to do is press this button, and it's going to depress that gray lip, and then they can come apart. I have this little strap here just to demonstrate. So what we're going to have, we need to make sure we have our two loops at the end. So what we need to do is put the loop between the two sides. So I'm going to do it like that, and then I'm going to thread the screw. Then use the Allen wrench to tighten it down, and the threads, it's going to just thread itself down into the plastic. So that gives me this side. Now for the other side, I recommend fastening the clip so it's easier to work with, and that you're making sure that you're doing the right direction. I'm going to fold this back to make the loop. We're going to stick the loop up through the bottom, okay, just like that. And we want to make sure the excess is on the outer side, not the underside. So you want it on the top side so it can be adjusted. And then what we're going to do is take this clip and make sure that it's the right direction, because it is angled just a specific way to fit. Stick it in between like that, and then we're going to click it down into the sides. 1 and 2. All right, got it in there. You can pull this tight, and that's it. Now what's nice about this, like if this is under your chin on a bike helmet, you want to just one release, you just can do one finger and pull, and it will release itself. Let's show this again. One hand release, just pull, and as you pull this, it's pulling in the right direction. It will just unlatch itself. If you're not pulling it, this is not coming apart at all. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.